Hello everyone, I am Mudit and this is the fourth video of the game. So in this video I'm just going to show you fonts. So it's not that complicated. It's just what you'll expect. It's just text. I made the outline on this, so there was no straightforward method for it, so I had to experiment around with it a lot. So I can change the color of the outline, I can change the color of the text, I can change the size, I can change everything in fact just to customize it. And these both are temporary right here. Once we make the basic options like text and images and buttons and movements, then we can get started with a menu for the first time. And we can actually make the scenes of the game like loading and menu and settings and all that. So that's it for this video. I'll make buttons in the next video probably. So for buttons I just have to put this text onto the button image and I have to detect if the cursor is above it or not, and then I have to check if it was clicked when the cursor was above it or not, and then I have to do what I want after it's clicked. I have to tell it to do what it's supposed to do after it's clicked. So it's not that difficult. It's difficult to get started with it, but it's not that difficult as a concept. So that's it. Hope you all enjoyed these 4 videos till now, and thanks for watching. And the game is going to get much more complex after we have done with buttons and stuff like that once we get into 3D. So that's it for this video, and bye.